Hi guys, welcome to another video. We are here today with Rasputin because he just decided to come and plop down on the couch that I'm trying to video with. So I am waiting on my 3-day juice cleanse detox, whatever else you want to call it. I'm so excited and I'm taking you guys with me so that you can experience it too. And if look at the camera, dog. And if anything, you can try. And if anything, at the end, you can try it too. So guys, if you're interested in seeing all of that and my results, then stay tuned. So guys, like I was saying, I'm really excited to try it out. They specialize in cleanses and all that good stuff. Like I was saying, people can go 5 days, but I said 3 days. And as a beginner who is doing this for the first time, yeah, I would suggest a 3-day. I know my limits and I know my body, so I'm gonna go with a 3-day detox, and I'm gonna take you guys with me because who doesn't love looking at the drama that is my life? Hello. How are you? Thank you. Oh, it's heavy.
You left it up. Come here, Jim.
Oh my God.
Come here.
I have my package. I am so excited. This company is Nationwide Therapy, but they go as just therapy now. This little bag is very heavy and it packs the punch because it is just neatly packed with all of the juices you need for the entire 3 days. Like, I'm so excited to try this. So let's open it. Oh yes. So guys, let all of this juice for the 3 days. Make sure that you don't get lost or don't know what is happening. Whew, I'm so ready. This is 0, so I guess you take this in the morning time when you wake up, and then you go from 1 to 5, I believe. So this is 1, then you go to 2, and then you go to 3. Don't forget 4 and 5. Like, I love, I'm so excited about a juice cleanse in my life. It is packed with 15 bottles of juice, as well as your relax teas. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this tonight, and then I will start my cleanse early tomorrow morning. Good morning, guys. So I'm starting off with my turmeric and lime booster. It is the first thing on the menu for my juice cleanse, and they said to drink it as soon as I wake up. So yeah, next I'm gonna have this one, so I'll just take it out. And this one is supposed to be taken before 9 o'clock, so it is now like 8 something. So I guess I will take this real quick and then move on to this. Have it before 9 o'clock. Oh my God. Okay, so I already shook it on the way up here. So here goes, guys. Wow. Okay. Yeah. This is green juice. All right. Ready? Okay. Once you start chugging, can't believe I'm wasting this. Once you start chugging, it tastes nice and refreshing, and that's what I like. So. Okay. So I'm gonna leave the other half a little bit. See, I just burped, so It's filling. Wow. 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 This like my mom used to make green juice back in the day and it don't taste like this. This tastes better. Like this tastes so much better. Wow. Okay guys, so I'm gonna make another video doing a quick follow up on how I feel between this juice and the next juice and tell you how it goes. Alright? Yeah. Guys, we are at stage 2 of day 1 of this juice cleanse. So yeah. I'm not even sure what this one was called, but it is something with pine and ginger. So it is now 11 o'clock, which is like almost 2 hours since the last time I drank my last juice. And yeah, so I'm looking forward to this pine and ginger because pine is my favorite fruit, one of my favorite fruits. I'm not sure what I'm tasting, but there's pine, ginger, and something else. And when they say there is no sugar, there is no sugar. There is no sugar. Listen, I'm not about this sipping life, so oh, sorry guys, I just burped again. Because you know that these things are very filling, so I think I should be good between now and the next juice. So yeah, and by the way, let me tell you, between the first one and this one, like I was bursting at the seams. Like my belly was just like but I think closer to the time where I decided to take this one is when I kind of got a cough. So I don't normally eat until like 1 o'clock, and I only take like a little bit of fruits or a fruit plate in the mornings. So this was out of the ordinary, but see, I'm burping again, sorry guys. But instead of the fruit plate this morning, I took green juice, so my body was kind of like, what is she doing? So yeah, I'm almost done. So like, I'm curious to know what was in this, because I know, like I said, I taste the pine and I taste the ginger, but there's something else. So I want to know like what else is in it. So I'm gonna ask her, because it has like a little taste that I don't know what it is. So yeah, this one going to take some getting used to, but hopefully by day 2 or day 3 it gets better. All right, and I'm looking forward to the protein blend that I'm gonna drink for lunch, so stay tuned for that, guys. This is day 1, juice number 2. They're outside talking about ordering patties, and I'm just like, I'm in here drinking juice. Oh yeah, I be feeling the hunger now. Oh, let me take off my glasses. Oh my god. Yeah, my tummy is going like, but I'm gonna wait until 2:30 to have the protein blend. It is 1:52 I think right now, so I have a little bit more to go, so hopefully by then I can recharge my life. Looking forward to the protein blend because your girl is hungry. I don't know what this is, but ready. Yeah, the protein is my favorite. Hands down, I am dreaming that this is a nice chocolate cake and ice cream with banana nut on the top. Whew. Yeah, this is my favorite. This is my favorite. I think by 6 o'clock, by 6 o'clock I'll be scratching at the walls, but right now I am very full and I'm gonna save this for an hour later. So I'll take this later, finish it later, and then see how it goes from there. Then 2 hours after I finish this, then I will continue with the charcoal blend. Yeah. And also I will be drinking water in between, so that can add to me keeping full, because I know by the later in the night time I'm gonna be like, there's nothing else to drink. So let's go. This is not a fave. But yeah, I can see where it's winding down because it's getting closer to sleep time, so I see where it stopped as heavy. But yeah, and you don't really taste the charcoal. But yeah, I think I'm gonna chug this. So I'm halfway there. Quarter left. Done. So I just have one left for the day to finish off day 1 of the Juice Detox. Good morning, guys. It's day 2, so I am going to be packing because I'm going out to work. So I have the whole day packed in my bag, so I'm ready to go. Once I reach work, I'll just refrigerate. I am about to take my turmeric booster. This is my least favorite, but it does a lot. Like, I can feel my body reacting to it. Yeah, I can't chug it, I have to sip it because so just an update on everything. This is day 2 of my juice cleanse, and yeah, I got up this morning feeling quite hungry, but then I drank a cup of water and the hunger just went away. So I'm gonna start with the booster and then go on to my green juice when I reach work. I'm leaving some for later. $12 o'clock. I'm on my second juice. I don't know how this is gonna work because I wasn't feeling hungry or anything. I've been drinking a lot of water, so maybe that is helping the whole situation. But I'm about to start my second for the day, and it's quite icy. So I don't know how that's going to work out with me chugging it, but I don't intend to this time. I intend to savor my juices on day 2, so we'll see how this goes. It's really cold. I can't hold it for long, but we'll see. Okay, nothing to see here, guys. Nothing to see. Hold on, let me see that. Drinking it with like a little bit of ice in there, it tastes so much better. I'm still getting used to it, but this pine, I think it has like some grapefruit in there because it tastes like a little bitter taste. I'm not sure. I'm going to the bathroom like every 10 minutes. I only have my protein blend, it's my favorite, so I am gonna just enjoy this right now. Thinking about chocolate. Strange enough, this tastes so much different day 2. So a quick tip is to ensure that it's like on the verge of freezing but not yet, because yeah, tastes different. Tastes very different. I don't know also if my body has gotten used to it the second time around, but I'm enjoying this eating.
Why are you cooking food? I thought about that, you know. He said, when I put in your chicken breast in there. I said, yeah.
Look at you eat. This is winding down. I feel still energized. I thought I'd just be nice, cool, and collected by now, but I still feel energized, like I was doing work until I literally said, nope, time to shut down. No headaches, no pangs of pain, no sleep deprivation, no feelings of nausea, no tiredness. So no side effects, no negative side effects. So I am just here taking in the second to last juice for day 2 of my juice cleanse, and it's going well, guys. I don't know if my taste buds are more heightened because I'm tasting a lot in this charcoal juice this time, as I didn't really taste last time. So and I think if I pace myself and drink it now before the night falls, then I'll be able to drink the beetroot before it gets really late. Because what happened is that I had to drink the beetroot juice because I kind of felt hungry, not like famished, starving, almost dying, but more-ish in the middle of the night last night. So I decided to take or drink the beetroot juice at like 10 o'clock. It's almost 11 o'clock, so yeah. So I think I'd be able to drink the beetroot juice by 7, 8, and then just go to sleep. So yeah. And it's really cold. I don't know how I'm gonna do this because it's just gonna make me more cold. But I'm feeling the hunger now. on a scale of 1 to 10, I would rate it a 7. Yeah. So guys, I had to chug this down real quick because it is freezing. So I am going right back to my bed under my sheets. I don't know if there's a cold front across the island, but Jesus knows. Good morning, guys. Yeah, today's the last day. Yeah, I can feel the grumbling. So I'm gonna get up now. It is minutes to 8. I'm gonna get up and drink the turmeric booster. I'm feeling hungry now. Hungry like a 8, 9. It's bittersweet. This is my last day and my last booster. Cheers, guys. So people, I just reached the second juice, which is the pine and ginger. Yeah. I just wanted to say that as I opened the cork, you could see me shaking, but I relied on this protein blend because it gave me a boost in energy. So once I had that, I was fine. And I wanted to add that my mom cooked, but the cravings weren't there. I am drinking the charcoal now. I'm just drinking it because I don't know. I think I didn't want to wait until I got really hungry again, but I just said, you know, let me just drink it before it gets too late, and then I can't drink the beetroot juice before the end of the night. So it's actually like the second day it wasn't so. So for the third day, my body has gotten used to all the juices and you can feel the difference. Also guys, I feel like if I didn't get into the whole habit of being on a juice cleanse, it would have gone south for me because everybody in my house, they continue eating business as usual, and I'm just like, I'm on a juice cleanse though, I can't eat this though, and you smell the food is oh, Jesus. But I feel like I'm a very disciplined person, so this does not faze me, which is the best thing, because I think if I was any other person, I would be eating dinner tonight. But I am sticking to it. I have one more after this to do, and yeah, I'm enjoying the experience, and it teaches you patience. It teaches you to just be more in touch with your body and realize what is happening with it, and it is a learning experience for me. So yeah, excuse me guys as I finish my juice. Final juice for my juice cleanse. Okay, to make sure you shake it up really well. Looking for somebody specific? After this, I decided to check my weight as well, and it turns out I lost 3 pounds. Other than getting used to the taste and the actual fact that you're going on a cleanse, I would give this a 4 out of 5, and I would highly recommend that you guys try this out, because your body needs a detox every once in a while. So check them out guys, and see you next time.